Greetings to all. Today we will learn to draw a bird coming out of the egg. Here we just need a white sheet and yellow sheet. First of all, I am going to make a circle with the help of compass, and you can use anything. Now cut the circle with the help of scissor, and you should be very careful. Now here we have a circle. Fold the circle like this and draw a zigzag pattern with the help of pencil, and again cut it with scissor. Now we have a shape like this. Now take yellow sheet and draw an oval shape, and again cut it with the help of scissor. Now I am going to draw the wings of a bird. Fold the sheet like this and draw wings. So that when we cut, we already have two wings. Now cut it with the help of scissor. Now take a piece of paper and draw triangle to represent beak of a bird. Now draw eyes. And paste the beak like this with the help of glue. We just need to fold little bit from this side so that it can be pasted easily. Put some pressure. Now outline all the body parts one by one. Now it's the time to assemble all the body parts. Apply some glue here. Fold it like this. Reverse it and apply some glue here on the lower part. And stick it on this side. Now our bird is ready, see? So please try it at your home. Thank you.